Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Snapchat account if it is locked for violating community guidelines. So guys, if your account is locked for violating community guidelines, here I will show you how can you unlock this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open any browser on your device and search here for support.snapchat. So guys, here you have to simply search for support Snapchat, and once you are here you have to simply go to support Snapchat, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on my account is compromised. And once you are here you have to simply scroll it below, and then you have to give here your username of your Snapchat account, then enter the email address which is associated with your Snapchat account, and after this give your mobile number which is also associated with your Snapchat account. And then in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and then you have to simply verify that you have not violated any community guidelines on Snapchat but your account is locked. So guys, you have to simply explain all the problem in this box, and after this they will review your appeal, and if you have not violated any community guidelines then your account will be unlocked in 24 hours. So guys, after this hopefully you will be able to use your Snapchat account easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.